Will this 3D printer print after sitting for 2 whole months? Let's find out. I'm going to preheat my bed. My bed is preheated. I'm going to wipe it down with alcohol, 90%, 91% rubbing alcohol. Just wipe it. No pressure, just wipe it. With another one. This is my second rag. Besides, so the other rag I used to dust. I'm going to use a calibration cube to test this. I don't got a clog, and I could push some of this out, so we're good. Let's see if we can print a calibration cube in white. Don't mind this booger. It's okay. It is quite fine. So this is the progress. It's been maybe 5 minutes or so. So let's continue our journey. Yeah. I'm just running at 200 degrees on the nozzle and 60 on my bed at 100%. Zero millimeter offset. Alright, white looks pretty good. I got a little bit of curling right here on this corner right here, but it looks pretty good. Okay, I want to change color. Will it work? Can I just change color like normal? Got a couple of droopies, but let's find out. Update, so far it's looking pretty flawless. It's actually almost done, and it is right now 12:28, so this only took like 10-20 minutes to print so far, but that's pretty good considering the size and what we're making. So it's a calibration cube. This is how you tell if your printer is level. Really, you shouldn't bump or tap any of these knobs when it's running. Now you can see up here my belt, okay? You can see it flex. Well, you really can't because I have my tension, the tension is set correctly. After it's been used for so many hours, it'll stretch and it'll start to sag. So then you'll see a more flex. And same thing with this belt down here. You see it's not really flexing as much, going up and down, up and down, up and down. Now you could go back in the video and watch it if you want. But this is turning out pretty good. I'm just gonna let it run. Now when your print is complete, I'm just gonna let it set, idle, and cool off and see what it does. Alright, now that it's done, now that my print is finished, I am going to just let it cool down. So I'm just going to let it cool off all by itself. Just let it drop. So this can properly dissipate heat off of the heat sink so you don't get a clog in your PTF tube from heat creep. That's when you don't blow enough heat off your sink from your fans in here. Follow for part 2 where I explain what I'm looking at to tell how far off my printer is and if I should adjust anything.